Hi, welcome to Touch to Click. Today we'll show you how to check PC specs in Windows 11. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click the search button at the bottom of your screen. It helps you quickly find apps, settings, and files. Step 2. Type system information and click it from the results. This opens a summary of your computer hardware. Step 3. In System Summary, check your motherboard and RAM. This shows your mainboard model and installed memory. Step 4. On the left, click the plus next to Components and select Display. This shows your graphics card details. Step 5. You can also search about your PC and click it. This gives a quick overview of your system. Step 6. Check other specs like RAM and processor. This helps you understand your PC's performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click.